Hello, Professor Justice. Today I will be presenting the topic of the state versus the nation from the class International Relations. This webpage provides information on the International Relations class in the area of political science that focuses on the idea of the state versus the nation. I will be discussing how I included my top 10 list from log number 7. The images in the entire presentation are screenshots from my webpage. Here I have made sure to include the most important information first and at the top of the page. This will ensure that my readers will know exactly what my site is about, so they know whether this page will be helpful or not. The screenshot provided shows that the writing on my webpage is simple and easy to read for my readers to understand what my webpage is about and to absorb the information easily, effectively, and quickly. The next two screenshots show how my content is broken up into sections. This makes the content easier to read and makes the reader feel less overwhelmed by the information because it does not look like a lot. Next, we see that my link is labeled with descriptive words of what the link is about. This is easier for the reader, especially for those that do not read the whole webpage, to understand what the link will be about and pick the link they need. This screenshot provides evidence that this webpage is written for scanners. This is seen with the clear headlines and concise bullet points which help the reader obtain the needed information quickly. Here we see that I have provided familiar words so that the reader can find my information easier and faster. This screenshot shows that I have used images in order to give the reader a visual idea of the information presented and to provide another dimension to my webpage, allowing the reader something new and different to look at. This also keeps the webpage interesting. Here we see that I have included lots of white space in my webpage. This helps my webpage look clean, easy to read, and will reduce the look of too much information and clutter. These two screenshots provide evidence that my information is short and does not include any fluff, so that my readers get the specific points I'm trying to make, and that is all. Lastly, here we say that my information is helpful and useful for my reader to take the information provided and apply it elsewhere. This is seen when I give the reader advice on when to use a term for my webpage. This presentation has gone over my webpage, which discusses the state versus the nation from the Political Science International Relations class, all while pointing out how I have made sure to include all of my top 10 items for my log number 7. Thank you for your time.